Withdrawing money from your Steam account to your bank account can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Check your Steam wallet balance. Before you initiate a withdrawal, ensure that you have a sufficient balance in your Steam wallet. You can check this by logging into your Steam account and looking at your wallet balance displayed on the top right corner of the screen. Step 2. Link your bank account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Sell items or trade. If you want to withdraw money, you may need to sell items from your inventory or trade them for Steam wallet funds. Go to your inventory, select the items you wish to sell or trade, and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. Step 4. Request a withdrawal. Once you have sufficient funds in your Steam wallet, navigate to the withdrawal section in your account settings. Select the amount you wish to withdraw and choose your linked bank account as the destination for the funds. Step 5. Confirm and wait for processing. After submitting your withdrawal request, confirm the details and submit. The processing time can vary, so be patient as Steam processes your request. You will receive a notification once the funds have been transferred to your bank account. In conclusion, withdrawing money from Steam to your bank account involves checking your balance, linking your bank account, selling items, requesting a withdrawal, and waiting for processing. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction.